Hi, today I'll show you how to completely uninstall Visual Studio Code. First, we're going to use this comment. You can find it in the description. You just copy it from description and open your terminal and then paste it right here and then click enter. Alright, so this comment have been executed. Then we go to the next one. We do the same thing and it have been executed. Has been executed. So we do it with all these comments. In some of the folders it's not going to work, but you're going to completely uninstall Visual Studio Code just using these comments. And we're going to the almost last one. So here's the last one, and the last one means that you're, as the user which owns this device, which means sudo, are going to enter your code and then remove Visual Studio Code from your applications folder. Then you click enter, you enter your password, and then it is completely uninstalled. Right now it's not going to work, so if I'll delete this one and then put it into here, let's quit it and go into the Finder, go into the applications. As you can see, no more Visual Studio Code is seen here. So right now, if I'll go into the browser and no, even not in the browser, I have it in my trash folder. So I go into downloads, trash, and then Visual Studio Code. And if I'll just now open it and then open it again, then say open, as you can see, it's completely new Visual Studio Code. So this is how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.